Hey everyone, welcome back to the Click Cash.
If you're looking to make some easy money online in 2024, you're in the right place. Today, I've got an incredible opportunity for you where you can earn $1.70 for every photo you upload. Yes, you heard that right. Easy AI money, coming right up. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome money-making tips. Now, let's get into how you can start earning with your photos. First things first, let me introduce you to this amazing platform called ClickASnap. It's revolutionizing the way you can make money with your photos. Whether you're a professional photographer or just love snapping pics with your phone, this is for you. ClickASnap is user-friendly and open to anyone who wants to share their photos and make some extra cash. They offer a straightforward way to turn your creativity into a steady income stream. Alright, let's get started with the process. Step 1. Head over to the ClickASnap website and sign up for a free account. The registration process is quick and easy, taking just a few minutes. Step 2. Once you're in, start uploading your photos. It's super simple, just drag and drop your files or select them from your device. Remember, the higher the quality, the better your chances of earning. Step 3. Don't forget to add relevant tags and descriptions to your photos. This helps buyers find your images more easily. Make sure your descriptions are detailed and your tags are relevant. And step 4, that's it. For every photo that gets viewed, you earn $1.70. The more photos you upload, the more money you can make. Now, here are a few tips to maximize your earnings. Focus on popular themes like travel, food, and lifestyle. These are always in high demand. Upload regularly to keep your portfolio fresh and up to date. Promote your photos on social media platforms to increase visibility and drive more views. Consistency is key. The more active you are, the better your chances of making a substantial income. Let me show you some real-life examples. I uploaded these travel photos last month and already made $50. It's that simple. Imagine the possibilities if you upload consistently. And it's not just me. Many users are making a significant income by regularly uploading high-quality photos. Here are a few testimonials from successful contributors. Now, let's address some common questions and concerns. One frequent question is about the quality of photos. Make sure your photos are clear, well-lit, and visually appealing. Avoid uploading blurry or low-resolution images. Another question is about payment methods. ClickASnap offers various secure payment options, including PayPal, bank transfer, and more, so you can choose what works best for you. So there you have it. A simple and effective way to earn money online in 2024 by uploading your photos to ClickASnap. It's a great opportunity to turn your passion for photography into a profitable side hustle or even a full-time income. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Start uploading those photos and let's make some easy AI money together. See you in the next one.